The Clicks Communicator is redefining the way we stay connected, positioning itself as the ultimate communication companion for both personal and professional use. In today's fast-paced digital world, juggling multiple messaging apps, emails, social media platforms, and video calls can be overwhelming, but the Clicks Communicator streamlines all of this into a single, unified interface. It combines voice calls, video conferencing, instant messaging, and social media notifications in one intuitive platform, allowing users to manage every conversation effortlessly without switching between apps. One of its standout features is AI-assisted responses, which can suggest quick replies, summarize long threads, or even help draft professional emails, saving users valuable time and reducing communication fatigue. Real-time translation capabilities break down language barriers, making it easier than ever to connect with colleagues, clients, or friends around the globe. Additionally, customizable notifications and smart prioritization ensure that you never miss an important message, while minimizing distractions from less critical alerts. The Clicks Communicator is also designed with mobility in mind. Its sleek, ergonomic design and long-lasting battery make it perfect for on-the-go usage, whether you're commuting, traveling, or working remotely. Security is another key focus, with end-to-end encryption and privacy-focused features that protect sensitive conversations and personal data from unauthorized access. Beyond its technical specifications, the Clicks Communicator enhances collaboration, productivity, and social interaction, serving as a central hub for all communication needs. In essence, the Clicks Communicator is more than just a messaging tool. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that empowers users to communicate smarter, faster, and more securely. By merging convenience, innovation, and reliability, it sets a new standard for what a modern communication device can achieve, making it an indispensable companion in the connected world of today and tomorrow.